Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Safina Rahmania. Today, in this beautiful morning, I want to present my research proposal seminar with the title The Speech Act of Command in Avenger Infinity War movie. Let's start from the research background. This research is based on some following consideration. First, Avenger Infinity War is a 2018 American superhero film based on the Marvel comic superhero team The Avenger. Produced by Marvel Studio and distributed by Walt Disney Studio Motion Picture, it was directed by Anthony and Joe Russo. Second, speech act of command is a type of speech act that has the function of getting listener to do something. Speech act of command can be found in this movie. Okay. Third, there are many people who do not know and understand speech act of command because they can't identify speech act of command in this movie. Through this research, viewers will know, understand, and can distinguish speech act command in this movie. And the last, viewers still find it difficult to identify speech act of command in this movie if they are lost of knowledge about speech act of command. Okay, the next is previous research. The previous research, the first with the title "The Speech Act of Request in Obama's Tweet" written by Ruth Margaret Violeta Sihombing, and the second, the analysis of illocutionary act of command by the main character in Despicable Me film, written by Andy Riansyah, and the third, a pragmatic analysis of speech act of command by the main character in the film Elizabeth: The Golden Age, written by Anissa Dewi. The next is research question. First, what kinds of speech act command are found in Avenger Infinity War movie? And the second, what are the form of sentence in commands that is uttered in Avenger Infinity War movie? And then what are the function of speech act command in Avenger Infinity War movie? Where are the position of speech act command in Avenger Infinity War movie? And what are the meaning of speech act of command that used in Avenger Infinity War movie? The the purpose of this research is first to classify the types of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. Second, to differ the form of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. And then to explain the function of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. To map the position of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. And to gain an understanding of the meaning of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. There are two benefits of the research. First is theoretical benefit. The theoretical benefit of doing this research that it would give useful information about language phenomena in relevance to speech act. That it would also help people which are interested in linguistics to know how to analyze speech act in family movie and especially the directive. The second is practical benefit. The practical benefit of this research has a relation to education. The writer expected not only the teacher to understand well about illocutionary act or command, then to combine the information from this paper with his or her student needs in order to make a good material in teaching speaking, but also students to comprehend the command and they will be able to improve their English ability, uh, English, especially speaking skill. The next is research assumption. First, there were two types of speech act commands used in Avenger Infinity War. The second, there were two forms of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War. Then there were two functions of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. There were three positions of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie, and there were two meaning of speech act command used in Avenger Infinity War movie. Okay, in this research, there are several books that I use for the theoretical background in this research. The first is Speech Act Classification by T. Belmer and W. Brandstut, and then Metode Penelitian Kuantitatif Kualitatif Kualitatif Kuantitatif by Profesor Dr. Sugiono, Speech Act Theory and Pragmatic by John Searle, and then Speech Act Theory and Communication by Philip Scabris, and Expression and Meaning by John R. Sartre. The next is research methodology. The method used in this research are descriptive qualitative method. Descriptive and quantitative method is used to collect data, analyze and classify it, and drawing conclusion from the data analysis. And then the object of the research were in the form of utterance from Avenger Infinity War movie that contains speech act of command, and the data was taken from film script Avenger Infinity War movie that released on 2018 with the duration 2 hour 50 minutes. And technique of collecting data that I use is browsing internet and library study. And then technique of analyzing data that use is distribution. And the last is procedure of the research. First is watching Avenger Infinity War movie, and then noting the film script into the written language, especially directive speech act, and then marking the entire speech act of command uttered by the character, and then classifying data of speech act of command used in Avenger Infinity War movie, and then analyzing the data of speech act of command used in Avenger Infinity War movie, and then describing the analysis that has been done, and the last is concluding the result of this research. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you.